What is going on, guys? Dallas here with a video. If you're here for the first time, welcome. If you're back from my subscribers, I appreciate you and I appreciate you watching this video. This video is going to be a little bit different. It's something I haven't done on this channel, but it's still very important. It's going to be here. It's going to be skin routine, guys. Come on, man. We sweat so much and we got to take care of this thing, right? All right, like I said, we're working out all the time and our skin is very important, you know? We're sweating. I don't know about you, but I sweat a lot. Like, I sweat a lot. So I wash my face every single day. I'm gonna tell you what though. I didn't used to wash my face a lot until my wife was like, yo, you need to take care of your skin. Like, you're always sweating. Like, cause me, I work out pretty much every other day, if not every day, 5 times a week, blah, 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 blah. Skincare is very important. I'm gonna go through the steps on the things that I do every single day. I usually do this in the shower. I'm not bringing you in the shower with me today. So yeah, we're gonna work with what we got today, all right? So what I first usually do, I wet my face. As far as the process, it does not take long at all. You know, again, it's something that I do in the shower. I only do it once a day, and then it usually holds me. And it's usually after I work out. And I just got finished working out, so I'm gonna wash my face first, and then I'm hopping in the shower. So what I usually do, I wet my face. After I wet my face, I use the cleanser. After I use the cleanser, I use the toner. After I use the toner, I use the moisturizer. So cleanser, toner, moisturizer. Shout out to Sulfur Organics 128. I have no idea what 128 stands for, but it doesn't really matter because this stuff is really good. It's made of, this is like activated charcoal. That's why it has like that black consistency. Consistency. I don't even know. I can't even say it that good, but it smells really good. It almost smells like black soap. You can see it just like that. Look at it. So I'm gonna wet my face and I'm gonna apply it. I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. All right, my face is nice and wet.
That's what she said.
Rub it up. You see, lathers up pretty good. And the thing is, you don't need much to get a good lather. See, nice little circular motion. So what I'm doing now, I'm not necessarily drying my face. I'm like making it, I still want a little bit of damp. Woo, get a little bit out of my eyes. But the good thing about it, it's all natural. There's no like crazy chemicals. Everything's all natural. So shout out to all natural products, man. So my face is a little bit damp still. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through the Rose and Hibiscus toner. I'm not gonna lie, like I've only been using the toner for probably maybe like 2 weeks now, and it really does make a difference. It smells pretty good too. And my wife is starting to use this with me too. So nice little vibe, you know. It has aloe vera and licorice root. So it has like a little rose tone to it. You see the vibes. You see it. So what I do now, I spray this on. And then I kind of let this air dry. So I'm gonna wait a little bit so it can kind of seep in like a seep. You know? All right, so it's been about like 2 minutes since I sprayed that rose mist. I'm not gonna lie, like when I'm spraying that mist, it feels like I'm doing something. But after I go through the rose mist, I let that stay on my skin for about like a minute. And then I finish it off with the face moisturizer. I feel like this is the gem right here. This right here is the key. Man, this right here, Sulfur Organics 128.com. They also have an Instagram too, man. Check it out. They got the vibes, man. Let me show you what this looks like. This is like a shea butter. Smells really good. I'll show y'all really quick, just so y'all see the vibes. And you don't even need a lot. Like, let me just show you the consistency of it really quick. Like, look, it just melts. It just melts. Like, I'm barely touching it and it just melts. So watch, you're gonna see my skin just like glisten. Oh. See, look at it, just a little bit. And then you just rub that bad boy in. A little goes a long way, you don't even need much. I probably use too much, but you're gonna see. And I don't know, usually I do this with like one hand. I only do like the moisturizer part with one hand, but whenever I'm washing my face, I do it with two hands. So I just get it in, just like so. And that's it, man. Got a nice little glow now, you see me, you know? Nice little vibe. That's pretty much it, man. It's a nice little routine. It does not take long at all, man. You have to take care of your skin. Your lady will appreciate it. You will appreciate it. Your skin will appreciate it. And that's all it is, really. Just clean your face, wash your face. Don't be using dirty towels when you clean your face too. Use a separate towel, man. Come on, we have to do better as a community. For men, like for women, I know. See, women, they've been on this already. So like, guys, we're just now getting hip to cleaning our face. So yeah, man, clean your face. Quick little routine. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. More videos like this is coming soon. Let me know if you want to see any other routines. And yeah, if you notice too, I just started to grow my hair out too. I've been growing my hair for about 4 months. If you look at my old videos, you know, I had waves and everything. So yeah, I'm definitely growing my hair out. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with it now. Don't pay attention to the hair because, you know, I just got finished working out, so it looks a little crazy right now. But if you want to see any hair routines, please let me know in the comments below, and then we'll see what's going on with that. But yeah, this is a fitness channel, but of course we got to make sure you're staying intact and you're looking presentable, right? But if you like this video, please like and subscribe. More videos like this is coming soon because we gonna get it in. Oh yeah, we gonna get it in.